without showing it in my camera.
So you're going to be the first decent photographer, basically, Steve, that's going to take a picture of this.
You're so kind to me. don't forget the money's in the envelope in the glove box in the car. He is, yeah. I'm just doing the photograph first so we don't mess the water up.
So, let's see what's down the steps. We're gonna get the. It looks beautiful. There's a. We're gonna get the underwater drone Dory down the steps. I'm not sure it's gonna go all the way down. To be fair, because if this is as steep as steps as the ones we go down before, you know, we're talking a good 50 foot, Brett. We're talking a depth of 50 foot. What depth do you think these steps are?
It's a manway.
It's a manway.
It is a manway.
50 foot to the lower chamber?
Oh, yes, it's got to be at least 60 to 80.
60 to 80 foot.
20, 30 feet between chambers, wasn't there?
So basically this is a chamber that's been filled with water. The water table has claimed the chambers because the old Slate miners would have pumped the water out, but in time it just fills in.
It means that somewhere there's a drainage level on this level that's taking the water away.
Yeah.
Else these would be flooded as well. Yeah.
So slowly percolating out the water.
Yeah.
And how many more floors there is below this floor, do you think?
5, I think.
So there's 5 floors below this one. So we're talking a total depth of 100...
About 250 feet?
250 feet?
Yeah.
To the very bottom?
Yeah.
250 feet, so about 70, 80 meters. Wow, mad. Sadly, but I prefer screen recording because it shows the...
It shows the actual setup of it and all
yeah.
that, and how you're actually steering it and stuff.
Yeah.
That's actually quite
right.
Already, isn't it?
Lights on.
If you go forward, then we just feed it in as you're going forward.
And...
Splash everybody. That's just go straight down onto the step, that mate. It's stuck on the step, I think. Let it come up. Just take the fans off. Yeah, take the fans off and let it come up to the surface.
Come on, you bastard.
Throw it out. There you go. Be alright when it gets down.
Yeah, let it flow free. Oh shit.
Have you got insurance on it?
I don't mind. If it dies, it dies.
Oh, you've nosedived straight into the mud then.
There's going to be blind leading the blind, isn't it?
So we're probably going to have to pull it out anyway. We probably won't drive it out, I don't think. You know, you're going backwards and down then.
There we are. He's found the steps.
Yeah. Oh, I see how they're going down at like a 45-degree angle.
Yeah.
You're about to hit the side wall on the right. That's it.
Oh, it's gonna be harder. It's gonna be easy going up, I think, because the angle. I don't get the best angle now. It's tilted down, but wow, look how deep it goes. It says it's 2. Oh shit!
It's in the place.
I think you've hit the
in
wall,
the
mate.
shit on the wall.
You've gone down and gone onto the wall, I think.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be great, isn't it?
What have you done now?
I can see it. I can see it.
To level itself out, you've started to send it crazy, I think.
Right.
It's stirred all the shit up now, isn't it? You'll need to go forward to get out of the shit.
I don't even know where forward is.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, take it easy from there now.
Come on. Oh, there you are.
Right, tilt your nose down.
Yeah, I am doing, but because it keeps going down.
Yeah. Ah, there's the roof.
Oh my God, there's the roof.
Yeah, there's
So
the,
look.
there's the steps.
So the roof basically is flooded. Look at that. All the roof is underwater. There's no pockets of air there.
Well, it won't be at 45 degrees. You're going straight down at 45 there. How come it keeps lifting itself up when you go forward? Oh, hit the wall again.
Hell.
You need to keep away from that left thumb.
Yeah, you're right on the right hand wall there, I think.
It's a bastard, isn't it? I knew this was not going to be easy.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere at the moment because the cable's not going any further.
I'm going over there to smoke a ciggy for the old miners. Should I explore back there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna... Hang on.
So you're turning right there. Keeps like spinning around when you try and turn the thing over, doesn't it? What is it doing? Putting the camera out, it's going like that.
The point is, this is absolutely nightmare because you're going down a narrow corridor, really, are we? Are you? So... Obviously, it's gone so mucky now.
It's alright, you should get past that soon because you should get past where the muck is. I think what were happening, you were just banging against the wall, I think.
No, I don't see anything now. I lost total visibility.
Yeah, it's rotating again, isn't it?
Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Minus steps. Doesn't get better than this. Oh my God! Ow. Look up, Grace. Man, this is something special, this. Tell you what. Wow. Holy moly. Oh my God. There's another photo here to be taken. Oh yeah, let's have a look. Something special, this man.
This is just an introduction to them.
Bye.